The electric pulse barbecue range are fantastic barbecues, but like any cooking appliance, they will require cleaning and a little maintenance in order to keep them performing like new year after year. Weber have designed these barbecues so that they are easy to clean and maintain. Before you start cooking, you should also check that the cookbox does not have a build-up of debris and the drip pan is empty. As soon as a layer of fat has accumulated in the drip pan, it's time to change it. It's a good idea to clean your cooking grill each time you use your barbecue before you start cooking. For day-to-day cleaning, the best method is to use a Weber grill brush. Preheat the barbecue on high for 15 to 20 minutes, as this will carbonize and burn off any grease or food debris. You can then use a grill brush to simply brush away the ash. You are now ready to barbecue. It's important to clean the inside of your barbecue regularly, every 4th or 5th cook, or more frequently if cooking highly fatty foods such as pork. Too much build-up of grease and debris could result in a fat fire. Firstly, check that your pulse is turned off and disconnected, and then make sure that your barbecue is cold. Disconnect the front control panel and store it in a safe place. Remove the cooking grills. If you did need to clean the underside of your cooking grills, simply turn them upside down on the opposite side of the barbecue. Then preheat the barbecue for 15 to 20 minutes. Just like before, the debris will carbonize and you can brush it away with a grill brush. We now remove the heating elements. To do this, you will need a flathead screwdriver. For the Pulse 1000, you need to remove both screws, whereas for the 2000, you simply need to remove the single screw. Once done, place the elements to the side. It's important to note not to wash or clean the elements with any chemical cleaners. If there is ever any build-up on the heating elements, simply preheat your barbecue as you normally would, as this will burn away the debris. Now that the heating elements have been removed, you can use a cookbox scraper to remove most of the debris from the bottom of the cookbox. Start at the top and scrape towards the removable drip pan. Repeat this, working your way all around the cookbox. Now remove the top and bottom cookbox liner. To remove the top liner, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 4 screws holding it in place. Once both liners have been removed, gently wash it with warm soapy water. Alternatively, the liners are dishwasher safe if you prefer to clean them that way. It's important to note that both liners are flexible, so be careful when removing and cleaning them. We then remove our disposable drip pan and replace it with a new one. Now it's time to reassemble our barbecue. Place the cookbox liners back into the barbecue, screwing the top one in place. Reattach the heating elements and reconnect the front control panel. Lastly, sit the cooking grills back in place and we're finished. There you have it. Now your barbecue is clean and ready to use. For any recipe ideas or for further information on your Weber Pulse, refer to your iGrill app or visit our website.